Right, hello guys, hello YouTube. It's been a while since I made a video. So right here I've got this Range Rover Velar. This is a 2019 model, and this is heavily encrypted. So I've tried unlocking this with the Hotel IM508S. It wouldn't. I tried unlocking with this tool, it wouldn't unlock, so I ended up getting an adapter, right, to try and unlock with the adapter. So I'm just going to show you now. I'll try to read, and I'll read the D flash. It's just going to tell us that it's heavily encrypted. See, the chip is encrypted. Please unlock for more functions. So right, so now encrypted unlock from more functions. So I'm going to go back and then go to more functions, right, and then unlock. So confirm unlock. Right, so we click OK and start, continue. So now it's trying to crack the chip ID FFF. So will it crack? Cracking failed. Okay, so this is ever so difficult to crack. So now it's being a bit more precise to say this OSCO is the pin that's not quite connecting. So we come here, right, so we see the pin OSCO. The first one from the lock is ground, and then the second one is OSCO 1. So that's the pin I need to line up. Okay, so finally managed to get all the connections in. The one quite dodgy one was the OSCO, so that's connected. So as you can see, it's unlock success, and then now we start the operation. Continue. So it's been unlocked, and it's just going back to read. So we start with a D flash, start reading, and continue. So there you go. There is our flash file, nice and quick. Save, and okay. Right, so now we're reading the EEPROM, and we start, we continue, and it's all done. Another nice quick read. So we save and save, okay, and there we go. Very healthy looking file. So we save it again as this is our Velar. So we save that and okay, and we go back and back, and we read again. Now it's the P flash. We're reading the P flash. We start, continue. So these modules are quite difficult, really difficult to work with. You need a lot of patience. Even though we're reading with a solder-free adapter, at times if the pin connections don't line up properly, it turns out to be a nightmare. So there we go, P flash. So again, we save it as Velar. Okay, and then we have one more, this POF. Start to read, continue. Once you establish connection, it's so ever so quick. So we save and edit as Velar. POF, we save that. Okay. So just a very few lines there. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's how you read these files. And then now we go to writing the keys, writing our key. Back home, Emo Data Tool, Europe, and it's Land Rover that we want, and 2015 onwards, start programming. So now it's asking for the D flash. Okay, so that's our D flash. We open. Now load the EEPROM. We continue. We get our EEPROM file. Right. No, we don't want to load that. We make a dealer key. We're going for key number 3. Make dealer key. All right. So we save here. And we go, okay, file has been downloaded. Prepare dealer key success. Use the programmer to reverse write and then newly saved. So we are done, we are complete, and we okay that. So there, guys, that's how you make your Range Rover Velar key using the Key Tool Plus. Thanks for watching.